Computer education at its best. Ave Maria Computer Center, Center for Excellence. In association with NACTET, National Council for Technology and Training. Contact 8547883242. Visit us at YouTube, Ave Maria Sister Anila CSS.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Ave Maria Computer Center classes. The course which we opted is MS Office. In this, MS Word, PowerPoint presentation, Excel and Internet are the lessons we are going to learn. Before going to that, let's we see and discuss about the basics of computer, like what is computer and its generation, about its operating system, input devices and output devices. After that, we will go to start our MS Office classes. The first class is about evolution of computers. Computers are classified into different generations based on the technology used. And the first generation is about period about 1940 to 1958, and its main component is vacuum tubes. And also the characteristics of the first generation computers are they are large size, comparatively small storage and slow speed, high power consumption, large installation area, and there is a difficult to programming. The examples of the first generation computers are EDSAC and EDVAC. The second generation computers are the period from 1959 to 1964. The main component of this generation computer is transistors. And also the basic characteristics of the second generation computers are they are smaller but faster and also cheaper. And the main thing is it is contained of components like modern day computers like printer, storage capacity, operating system, etc. And we also used to programming languages like COBOL and Fortran came into use. In this generation, the example computers are IBM 1401, RCA 501. And the third generation computers which are evolved from the period 1964 to 1970. And the main component of this generation computer is integrated circuits, which is called as chips. And the basic characteristics of the third generation computers are which is smaller in size, but it is increased in storage capacity. And we are also welcome to different programs could be run together. The example computers in this generation are IBM 360 series and 370 series. And the fourth generation computers, that is we are using now. The period which is evolved from 1971 to present, that means the today's world. The main component of this fourth generation computers are microprocessors. And the basic characteristics of the fourth generation computers are it is greater computing power and greater storage capacity. Also, it is use better storage devices which is cost less, and we can also link it together or networked. And this fourth generation computer examples like modern day personal computers, laptops and palm tops. And the last generation computer, which is called fifth generation computers, the period which evolved it is 1989 to future, that is the upcoming generation computers. And this computer is mostly used by the scientists because it is morely artificial intelligence, that is the main component. And the basic characteristics of the fifth generation computers are very high speed and storage capacity, and also it is ability to carry out sophisticated operations, and also it might overcome the lack of thinking power. The examples of the fifth generation computers are Cray CS300 series. These are the 5 different and the basic generation of the computer which is evolved from 1940 to future. And also for the regular updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share. Those who are not attended this class, repeat the class by watching this video. Thank you.